Let's make the Old Oak Old Fashioned. To make this drink, I'm going to start with the bitters. We need to put in 2 dashes of your Teetsy Wood Bark bitters. Next, 1/2 ounce of your maple syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Oh, and we're just going to have exactly enough. Guess I'm going to have to get more. And 2 ounces of your Ålander Aged Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a stir. I'm going to get a nice ice cube. These are my fancy silicone mold skulls from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. I'm going to put one of these into the glass, which is a lowball or an old fashioned, or a rocks. Excuse me while I struggle with this. Haha! And I'm going to strain this over that ice. Garnish. An expression of orange. So this is a twist. Squeeze, wipe, discard, and a star anise. And there you have it, an Old Oak Old Fashioned. Oof. Drink with good spirits.